Hello, and welcome to NerdBytes. Today, we'll see how easy it is to install a quick start from New Relic IO, your hub for instant observability. New Relic IO helps engineers avoid wasting time manually setting up telemetry and building dashboards from scratch. Instead, it gives them the building blocks to monitor and debug their environments faster. It is an open ecosystem with hundreds of expert-built quick starts, which package together observability resources like instrumentation, integrations, dashboards, and alert configurations, all ready to be used out of the box by anyone. Let's see how it works. So, I'm currently in New Relic IO, and you can find the link in the description below. Here, I'll see all of the use cases and technologies that have supported quick starts. I can filter by categories, such as application monitoring, Kubernetes, or infrastructure. But, let's say rather than just exploring what's out there, I have a specific technology in mind. I'm a Node.js developer and I want to monitor my application, so I go to the search bar and enter Node. Now that I've found the quick start I'm looking for, I can quickly see everything that it includes and learn more. Looks like there's a dashboard and a few alerts. And I want to install this, so let's click Install Quick Start. If I'm not logged in or don't have a New Relic account, it recognizes that, so I can either log in or quickly create a new account and follow the links after that. Once I've logged in, I'm led right into New Relic 1, where it confirms everything that I'll be getting in this quick start. Looks good, so I'll select my account and begin the installation. There are instructions on how to deploy the agent into my environment, and this guided install will actually go through step by step with me, making it super easy to get up and running. So I bring up my terminal and paste the command. After that, I enter my password and it starts the process for me. So I'll speed up some of this footage since it's just loading. I confirm yes to install, and then I name it something creative, like Demo App. It's checking to see if the data is available, and looks like it successfully brought data into the New Relic platform, and that means I can move on to the next step. Finally, I can see that the dashboards and alerts have all been automatically deployed, and I can click on these individually, or simply hit See Data to get to the dashboard. Let's check it out. And just like that, I can see the dashboard that the quick start deployed. On this first page, I get a summary of the application performance at a high level. If I wanted to dive a little bit deeper into the errors, the virtual machine metrics, or the transactions, I can select any of these tabs here. And because it's a New Relic 1 dashboard, I can modify, copy, and share it as required. I can even view and edit the queries behind each chart. So in just a couple of minutes here, we went from discovering a Node.js quick start to instrumenting the data, and now we get to see and interact with our data. No need to go through a manual installation or build any of these charts. It's all right out of the box. Now, if you're already a New Relic user, you can access New Relic Instant Observability with the new button at the top bar. Let's install another quick start. Why don't we try Apache? And this time, let's say I already have the data instrumented. I have the option to skip the step and go straight to the dashboard. Now that's what I call instant. Finally, you can access your alerts that you got through these quick starts in the nav bar by clicking Alerts in AI and selecting the policies. Here, you can access the conditions and edit them to your liking. Today, we saw how easy and fast it is to get started with observability best practices using New Relic IO. No matter what your stack looks like, you can find a quick start to help you monitor and debug in minutes. To learn more or contribute to this open source repository, visit the links in the description.